We recently had to fix the audio in some of our videos. We tried to remove the background noise, like the fan in our network switch you can hear, which we're in the process of trying to fix. I thought it would be helpful to show what we need to do when we want to do fix that sort of issue. First of all, I'm going to do this. I'm sure everybody knows the reason for doing that. This video combines a number of different sources. In this case, I've got the camera, which is a cheap Chinese recorder with a pretty poor microphone, which sounds like this, as you can hear, a little bit ropey. To fix that, we have a good microphone just here, and which is better quality and hence makes the annoying fan noise much clearer. The gavel provides a visual and auditory point we can use to ensure that everything is synchronized. Whichever video editor you use, there will be the ability to line up the audio and the video. I happen to use the Blender software. Normally, I would sync up the audio and visuals before the main body of the video. But in this case, I bang the gavel in the video to make it easier to follow. Now, let's skip forward to 20 minutes into the video. So, here we are, 20 minutes into the video, and I'm going to do this again. As you can hear, that annoying fan noise is still here. How do we get rid of it? Well, the simplest way is to use the free Audacity audio editor. First, we used another tool, VLC, to extract the audio from the video file. I'm using a FLAC format in this case. Then we load that into Audacity, identify a section containing just this noise, and use Audacity's noise removal and repair function to reduce it. Then we export that audio into the video editor, remove the original audio track and replace it with the newly edited one. The first gavel hit we can use to synchronize at the start of the video. There, that's better. Now, back here at the start of the video, the background noise is much reduced. The audio is cleaner and it's synchronized with the image. So, are we done? No, of course not. If we skip forward again, the audio was synced at the start of the video. However, by the time we get here, 17 or so minutes into the video, the sound has slipped out of sync with the visuals. Looking at the second time I banged the gavel, the audio has slipped relative to the pictures, which, as you can see, is quite off-putting. The issue is that the frame rate of the audio and the video are slightly different. Long ago, for reasons that are no longer important, video frame rates were changed from 60 frames per second to 59.94. That is by a factor of 1.001. We have to make the same adjustments for the sound to synchronize. In Audacity, we right-click on the track, select pitch and speed, and set the speed to 99.9%. That's close enough for most purposes. Now, we load the new audio and sync at the start point. So once again, back here at the start of the video, everything looks okay. And it also stays in sync even after the 20-minute mark. And that's it. I hope this has been of use to some of you. If it's helpful, you should leave a comment. You might also like to like and subscribe if you want. Thank you very much.